Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel EnglishAbhiYadav. If you want to learn English in an easy and natural way, you are at the right place. Here we don't use hard words. We don't follow book language. We learn real-life English that people actually speak. Today is day 3. So today's idioms are completely new and different. You can hear these idioms in daily life, office, friends, and work. Listen calmly. Imagine the situation. Feel the example. This way, you will never forget the idioms. Now let's start today's idioms. Idiom 1. Call it quits. Explain. This idiom means to stop doing something. Example. He tried many times to fix the bike, but it did not work. Finally, he called it quits. Idiom 2. Keep your cool. Explain. This idiom means to stay calm. Example. Everyone was shouting in the meeting, but he stayed calm. He kept his cool. Idiom 3. Get the hang of it. Explain. This idiom means to learn how to do something. Example. At first, driving was difficult for her. After practice, she understood it. She got the hang of it. Idiom 4. On thin ice. Explain. This idiom means being in a risky situation. Example. He came late again to office. His boss was angry. Now he is on thin ice. Idiom 5. Let it sink in. Explain. This idiom means to take time to understand something. Example. He got the job offer. He stayed silent for a minute. He needed time to let it sink in. Idiom 6. Hit the sack. Explain. This idiom means to go to sleep. Example. He was very tired after work. He ate dinner and went to bed. He hit the sack. Idiom 7. Cut someone some slack. Explain. This idiom means to be kind and not too strict. Example. She made a small mistake. It was her first day, so the manager cut her some slack. Idiom 8. Get out of hand. Explain. This idiom means a situation becomes uncontrolled. Example. The argument started small. Then people started shouting. The situation got out of hand. Idiom 9. In the same boat. Explain. This idiom means having the same problem. Example. They both lost their jobs. They are worried together. They are in the same boat. Idiom 10. Keep something under wraps. Explain. This idiom means to keep something secret. Example. They planned a surprise party. They told no one. They kept it under wraps. Idiom 11. Go the extra mile. Explain. This idiom means to do more than expected. Example. The teacher helped after class. She gave extra time to students. She went the extra mile. Idiom 12. Lose track of time. Explain. This idiom means to forget time. Example. He was watching videos on his phone. Suddenly it was midnight. He lost track of time. Idiom 13. Get back on your feet. Explain. This idiom means to recover from problems. Example. He lost his job last year. Now he found a new one. He is back on his feet. If you enjoyed today's idioms, don't stop here. Subscribe to EnglishAbhiYadav for daily easy English. Practice every day. Speak without fear and use English in real life.